Hello class, how are you? Tonight I'm gonna show you how to conjugate verbs really quick and effectively, so you don't have to wandering around. I'm gonna show you where to go to a link for conjugation of the verbs in Spanish. You're gonna go to days of the student version right here. You see that? Okay, and you're gonna go to slide number 3. Sorry, slide number 4. Okay, so day 4 into Spanish words. And here you're gonna click el conjugador, means the conjugator. I'm gonna click, show you how to do it right there. And then you're gonna click it just once. Wait for a second. You see all this? Spanish conjugation, okay? And here you can go to the website at home to elconjugador.com, and you can put whatever infinitive you want to put. So let's say you want to put one of the most famous is estar, means to be. You're gonna click conjugar, which means to conjugate, and look what happened. Watch. Wait a moment, please. Voila. You see it? Conjugación del verbo estar, conjugation of the verb to be. Okay. Yo estoy, tú estás, estamos, estáis, están. Show you also the past tense, yeah, conditional, and so on. Okay. So that's you're gonna do for slide number 4 on the 5 lesson plan, in which you're gonna have a chance to play around, create your own sentences. Okay. I'll show you one more time. Okay. And here. Okay. And you can use it also for slide number 3, which is more about idioms or phrases of the culture. Okay. Here it's about a little more of the history of the Central America country, the maps, pronunciation, a little bit of geography. And this one is about 5-minute video for the history of independence of Central America countries. Okay. You're gonna click these links. Okay. And this one is going to be about literature from writers and authors from Central America. Okay. So I hope you learn more than just the language, but also the culture and the literature and a little bit of geography to be overwhelming. Okay, guys. See you soon. Have a good day.